Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to integrate ChatGPT with Slack for automation. Integrating ChatGPT with Slack enables powerful automations and smart Q&A bot to schedule daily conversation summaries. You can basically do the simplest method, which is form within the ChatGPT ecosystem. So click the two lines in the top left, press more, and you're going to see the last option, apps. Tap it. Inside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for a few moments. Search for Slack. It's like a mini app store or Google Play within ChatGPT. Now all you got to do, just press Slack and hit connect. And you're going to go ahead and sync your account, your Slack account with ChatGPT. And from there, you can automate basically everything, right? They offer pretty much a powerful automations like smart Q&A bot to schedule daily conversation summaries, etc. So basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe it. It really helps with the channel. Until next time.